Diarmuid Clery recently visited DCU campus. He has been travelling around 32 counties of Ireland with the microwave in hopes to raise money for Jigsaw. Today was the last stretch of his journey. Himself and several others of the DIT-SU walked from DCU to DIT with their microwaves to finish off the trip. Lauren Timlin got to talk to the man himself and his microwave. Here's what he had to say.
Hi, how's it going? My name is Diarmuid Clery and I am the events officer for DIT Students Union, and this is my microwave. I'm fundraising for Jigsaw. It's a youth mental health charity. I've been walking around Ireland for the last 11 days with a microwave and no money. Donegal was absolutely mad. Going to Donegal, I met a surfer who took the microwave surfing. I can't even swim, but I was in the ocean on my own without armbands. It's great. 99% are very positively crazy, but there's also a few people who are kind of mean, but the majority of it was absolutely amazing. The craziest person has to be some of the Donegal people, I'd say. Donegal people are wild. I haven't had to camp out yet, even though I finished. Every night I post on Facebook, I've always found somewhere to stay. Found stay with families, hostel, hotel, slept on a couch, slept on the floor. I've pretty much slept anywhere you can imagine in the last 2 weeks. So my website is called themicrowaveexpress.com. If you want that, there's links to donate. If you want my Facebook page, themicrowaveexpress.com, same on Instagram. All the money goes toward Jigsaw. It's a great cause. Please support it. I love you. I love you, baby.
Lauren Timlin, DCU campus, the College View.